Welcome to Pexi's Kitchen. Today we have our third video, and this is very special because it's for a friend of ours. So what we're doing is we're making her a My Little Pony cake. Her favorite character is Pinkie Pie, hence the name of our cake, Pinkie Cake.
Because it's not a pie.
Right.
Right? Right?
Yeah.
Because it's a cake.
I have attempted to make Pinkie Pie out of gum paste. I tried making her out of modeling chocolate and it was a complete disaster. It looked like a distorted creature from outer space.
You ever see a horror movie where something melts into itself?
And so I kind of made it a tiny bit better by using gum paste, which was a much sturdier. It kind of held the head up a little bit better instead of having the head sink inside the body. And I used modeling chocolate for the hair.
We're doing a 2-layer rainbow cake, basically, and we are making homemade sprinkles for the first time ever. So we're gonna go give that a shot, and that's gonna make a fun little decoration on our cake, and then we're gonna have some little marble fondant on the big bottom layer, and then a little tiny baby cake that Pinkie Pie has with a candle for the birthday girl to blow out.
Exactly. It's smaller than most of the cakes we do, which is fun because it's like mini and cute, which I love. So, yeah.
So we're really excited. We're gonna go give this a shot. Really interested about the sprinkles thing. So we'll try it out and show you how it goes, and hopefully you can try it at home too. And it seems very easy. And if we can do it, you can do it. And that's the whole point of all of this.
That is the point. We're not professionals, and neither are you.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Many unbearable hours later.
Where's the...
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Okay, so we have our finished product here of our Pinkie Pie Pinkie Cake. We have the bottom layer with the little marble fondant on there, top layer with homemade sprinkles on it, a homemade Pinkie Pie with all of her crazy hair, and then a little tiny baby rainbow cake with a slice cut out and a little tiny candle inside.
So I think any girl who loves My Little Pony would hopefully love this cake.
That's sexist, I love it too.
But it was really fun, and we hope that our lovely little friend is going to love it for her birthday. It was a really fun project, and I'm kind of sad to be cutting into it.
So making the homemade sprinkles, the recipe that I was following, the batter, I guess you could call it, was a lot thicker than I was expecting it to be, so I kept adding water. It's kind of like royal icing without the egg whites. And the really thick sprinkles never set. They were sitting in the fridge. Didn't matter. They never set. They're kind of squishy and they break apart. So maybe it's the consistency. Maybe they're just too big. I don't really know. But we have a little bit of a jar of remaining sprinkles. So I definitely want to try doing this again. I've kind of learned about how to do that. But it's pretty easy to make your own homemade sprinkles. You don't need a whole lot. And yeah, the marble fondanting stuff is getting easier. And yeah, the more you guys do this stuff, the better you can get, and you can do stuff like this.
Exactly. And I'm gonna keep trying and getting better at making fun little animals and working with gum paste and modeling chocolate, learning a lot about the different mediums. And so hopefully in our next video I will come up with something hopefully a little better, but she's still really cute.
So we are gonna go present this to the birthday girl.
She has no idea. It's a surprise.
As soon as she gets here, we'll give her the cake. Hopefully she likes it. If she doesn't, I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, until next time, keep being amazing and keep exploring.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
That's kind of cute. That's fun.
Our gigantic jar full of sprinkles.